Yeah. Dear son, I'm spitting this before you fresh out. If I said I was blessed before, man, let's get in depth now. Give me a sec, yo, I gotta step out. The moment we saw the ultrasound, my heart skipped a step. Wow, the beauty of creation, I seen too much to wonder how it feel to take your first breath. For you, I would never double down. That word will be my truth to make your mother proud. Where we grew up, it was like summer house. I ain't raised you anywhere they could run you down. Just playgrounds, no spray grounds, unless it's a backpack you leaving out the front doorway. In the moments I'm recording it, got to the point where we affording it. So I'm doing more with it than just scorning it. Finally found in the most and I'm sourcing it. If they left you, damn, why you forcing it? Ain't missing no meals, so I'm coursing it. Get off your high horse, I'm still portioning it. It took T&E, but now you see it in the coordinates. It's more of a connection with you, my boy, than I ever had. Proudest I ever been, let's just call it that. More of a spade from a spade, they ain't carding that. Probably ask why you go hard and rap is bigger than me. This why I go hard with rap, like face the heart of truth. What I'm supposed to really not be vulnerable? You rather me dishonorable just cause you don't know another part of you. I uncover layers like bakers, may you feel this coming from a young savior. Make it look easy when really it got hard to do. But son,